Hey guys, welcome back to the Auto Chapter. This is the 2026 Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT, one of the most powerful and aggressive SUVs ever built by Porsche. It's not just a family car with power, it's a performance machine wrapped in an SUV body. Under the hood, it's packing a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, pushing out 659 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque. That's enough to rocket it from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.1 seconds. With a top speed of 190 mph, Porsche has fine-tuned the suspension, steering, and exhaust system, giving this Cayenne razor-sharp handling and a throatier, more aggressive sound. On the outside, it stands out with a more sculpted front bumper, larger air intakes, a carbon fiber roof, and a fixed rear wing that's not just for show. It adds serious downforce. The rear diffuser is more pronounced and the quad exhaust tips hint at the beast underneath. 22-inch GT design wheels come standard, paired with massive carbon ceramic brakes for stopping power that matches its speed. Inside, the Cayenne Turbo GT is a perfect balance of luxury and sport. You get Alcantara and leather throughout, GT-specific stitching and optional carbon fiber trim. The front sport seats offer deep bolstering and great support, and even rear passengers enjoy comfort with enough room for adults. The 12.3-inch touchscreen sits at the center of the dash, running Porsche's updated infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Burmester audio system. There's also an available passenger display, adding to the tech-focused feel of the cabin. It also includes all the modern driver aids you'd expect: adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, night vision, and a 360-degree camera system for easy maneuvering. While it's all about performance, Porsche hasn't skipped on daily usability and comfort. As for price, the 2026 Cayenne Turbo GT starts at around $200,000. Fully loaded, it can go well past $220,000. It's not for the faint of heart or light of wallet, but if you want an SUV that drives like a supercar and still seats 5 comfortably, this one sits at the top of the food chain. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see in the next video.